Hi Bronx, we're here again for another book for Bronxmas. Ooh, it's getting so close. It's the final week here. This book that I have today is What Do Dogs Want for Christmas? That's a good question. And this is by Candy Radzinski. I wonder what your dog wants for Christmas. I think mine likes all the toys it's been getting. Dear Santa, I have the aroma of stinky feet. Please send me something so I'll smell sweet. Love, General. Look at General. Woof, woof. He's a cutie. Dear Santa, I do like eating a nice leather shoe, but maybe I'd better try something new. Love, Beanie. It's cute. Ooh. Dear Santa, I'd like to help guide your sleigh. I even practiced on my own today. Love, Harley. Dear Santa, my ears hang down to my feet. Can you fix them so they're short and neat? Whoa. Dear Santa, I know you really, really care. Please send me something warm to wear. Oh, fashionable. Dear Santa, I think these treats were meant for you, but it looks like there's enough for two. Love, Goldie. Aw. That's silly. Dear Santa, I'd like a frosty new friend with a magic hat. Imagine the fun we can have with that. Aw, love Reggie. Reggie fits in that hat. He's tiny. Aw, a Tia dog. Dear Santa, I need something to help me get around because my belly's too close to the ground. Love, Ruby. Ruby's riding a car. So fancy. Oh, dear Santa, I'd like some mittens made of Persian kittens. Huh, love, Watson. Look, some knit mittens for the feet. That's silly. Dear Santa, I love to express my heart and soul, so send me something to rock and roll. Love, Baxter. That's fun. This one looks sad. Dear Santa, seeing you would be great, but I'm getting sleepy. It's getting late. Love, Miss Maddie. Oh, I guess she's sleepy, not sad. Dear Santa, I'd like a soft, warm place to sleep at night and a cuddly teddy bear tucked in tight. Love, Rufus. I like that name. Look at the little slippers for Rufus. Dear Santa, I'd like to help trim the tree. Please send an ornament just for me. Love, Pudge. Whoa, look at Pudge. Aw, how cute. Looks like a dog I know. Dear Santa, what I want most is a loving home with someone to hold me and call me their own. Love, Scout. That's cute. Oh, this tells about the book, but look at the poodle with the reindeer antlers there. That's funny. That was a good one, friends. Okay, we're doing this. All right, there's another one in the books. Dun, dun, dun. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you.